Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Team Viewer connection block after timeout issue. First, close Team Viewer completely. Open Task Manager. Search for Team Viewer and if it's running, end the task. Now, go to the Team Viewer installation folder on your PC. Find the file called TV Tools. Right-click and run as administrator. Click Start and select Trial. Wait a few seconds. Click Allow, then End and hit OK. After that, your TeamViewer ID and password should appear again. Always launch TeamViewer using this tool to avoid the black message. And that's it. That's how to fix the TeamViewer connection block after timeout issue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.